Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and manage sound settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up the settings menu on your device. Once you're in settings, look for and tap on sound and vibration. This is where all your audio controls live, and it's the central hub for managing how your phone sounds and vibrates across different scenarios. Now that you've found the sound settings, let's start managing them. At the top, you'll see audio will play on. Tap on this option and a slider will appear. This slider allows you to adjust the overall volume for where your audio will output. Once you've set it to your preference, tap Done to save your changes. Below that, you'll notice several volume categories including media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification volume, alarm volume, and assistant volume. Each one has its own dedicated slider underneath it. These sliders give you precise control over different types of audio on your phone. Take your time to adjust each slider based on what you prefer. For example, you might want your media volume louder for watching videos, but your notification volume quieter so it doesn't disturb you throughout the day. Next, you'll see vibrations and haptics. Tap on this option to open up additional settings where you can fine-tune the vibration intensity and haptic feedback for various actions and notifications on your device. This is useful if you find the vibrations too strong or too subtle for your liking. Once you've made your adjustments, go back to the main sound settings menu. Now you'll notice options for ringtone, notifications, and alarm. You can tap on any of these to customize and change the sound for each category. This means you can have a different ringtone for calls, a unique sound for notifications, and a separate alarm tone to wake you up in the morning. Scroll down a bit and you'll see Media. Tap on it to access two useful toggles, Pin Media Player and Show Media on Lock Screen. You can enable or disable these features depending on whether you want quick access to your media controls from the lock screen or notification shade. After adjusting these, go back to the main menu. Finally, you'll find several additional options like dial pad tones, screen locking sounds, charging sounds, and vibration, tap and click sounds, and always show icon when in vibration mode. Each of these has a toggle button next to it that you can enable or disable based on your preferences. These small touches help you personalize how your phone responds to different actions and events. And that's it, you've now customized all the sound and vibration settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro to match exactly what you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.